When you look at a value-priced all-in-one photo printer, copier, scanner like the Hewlett Packard NV4500, $99, it's easy to criticize it for not having this feature or missing that feature. To do so would be unfair, as some trade-offs are to be expected in exchange for a cost savings. Still, a low price doesn't exempt a product from things like performance. XA0 There are customers that benefit from a printer like the NV4500. If you're a household that rarely goes through a ream of paper, prints color once in a while, and isn't too concerned about print quality, the NV4500 does the job. But if you run out of paper often and you expect quality color prints and photos, the NV4500 is going to cost you more in the long run. You're better off with a more expensive model that offers better yields and good quality on a variety of paper. HP segregates its printer lineups according to user type. The NV line is relatively new, and is designed and priced for a user who wants a great-looking device that is low cost, and is willing to put up with some compromises to obtain it. Performance is good for a printer at this price point. With the front paper tray panel raised, the NV4500 is a fairly innocuous black box, measuring 17.5 by 13.2 inches, width and depth, and 4.7 inches high. It's not tall, but it does take up some desk space. At 12.3 pounds, it's not backbreaking. Minimalist in design it may be. The NV4500 actually has a complete set of controls surrounding a 2-inch monochrome display, which includes buttons for navigation, wireless status check, HP web services, and a help button. The front drop-down panel is where you access the pull-out